Hold on to your toothbrushes, folks. Did you know that over 90% of adults have experienced some form of tooth decay? That's right, most of us are walking around with cavities we don't even know about. It's a shocking fact, but don't fret because there are ways to combat this dental dilemma right from the comfort of your own home. First up on the docket, oil pulling. This ancient practice involves swishing around a tablespoon of oil, typically coconut, sesame or sunflower, in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. It sounds odd, but it works. Oil pulling can help remove harmful bacteria in your mouth, improve gum health, and even whiten your teeth. But how? Well, the oil literally pulls out the bacteria, which is predominantly made up of fat from your teeth and gums. This fat-on-fat interaction allows for a deep clean, leaving your mouth feeling fresher than ever. Next on the list, aloe vera. It's not just for sunburns, friends. Aloe vera has proven to be quite effective for maintaining good oral health. Apply it directly onto your toothbrush before brushing and let its magic work. Aloe vera contains anthraquinones, compounds that kill bacteria and fight off infections. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritated gums. Now let's talk about something you probably have in your kitchen right now. Baking soda. Brushing with baking soda can help whiten your teeth and prevent cavities. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on your teeth. Plus, it creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents bacteria from growing. Lastly, don't forget the good old-fashioned saltwater rinse. It's a natural disinfectant that can help loosen food particles and debris stuck in between your teeth, while also reducing inflammation. Saltwater rinse works by increasing the pH balance of your mouth, creating a hostile environment for bacteria that cause gum disease and cavities. Each of these hacks provide a unique, scientifically backed way to improve your dental health right at home, so why not give them a try? Remember, your mouth is the gateway to your overall health, so taking care of it is more important than you might think. After you've tried these hacks, share your experiences. Did oil pulling leave your mouth feeling fresh? Did aloe vera soothe your irritated gums? Did baking soda brighten your smile? Did a saltwater rinse help with inflammation? Your experience may just inspire someone else to take their dental health into their own hands. In the end, maintaining good dental hygiene is not just about a bright smile, but also about a healthy life. So take the reins, try these hacks, and let's make dental decay a thing of the past.